Welcome to our Rail Mitra YouTube channel. Here we show you the interesting facts related to Indian Railways. In our each video, we bring about new information on Indian Railways, trains, stations and related facts. But today's video is very special as we have brought an interesting video on top luxurious trains in Indian Railways. This would give you sufficient information on the top luxurious trains running in India and making Indian Railways proud. So before we move ahead with this video, make sure to subscribe Rail Mitra channel for keep getting the interesting videos. Also do like and share our videos on Rail Mitra YouTube channel. The very first train name in our bucket is of Palace on Wheels. As the name suggests itself, the Palace on Wheels train is a luxurious train with palace kind of compartment car attached in this. The Palace on Wheels is a joint initiative of Indian Railways, Government of India and RTDC, standing for Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation. The train is attached with a total of 41 cabins which consist of 39 deluxe cabins and 2 super deluxe cabins. The available amenities and the prices also differ from deluxe to super deluxe cabins. The train internal structure is influenced by the Royal Rajasthani craftsmanship and touches the lifestyle of kingship era. This train is launched by Rajasthan Tourism Corporation and Government of India to promote the tourism in India. The train runs for 7 days and 8 nights, crossing and halting through various historical tourism spots of India. This train starts its journey from New Delhi station on each scheduled Wednesday evening and completing a week tour to the Royal Deserts Arena, it completes its journey back at the Delhi railway station. The train stops at several tourist places during its 7 days journey. The train has all the amenities for providing you a complete royal treatment including AC car bedrooms, attached bathrooms, bed tea, electricity supply, sightseeing, personal butler, bar lounge and spa during this train journey. The Palace on Wheels train says see India like never before on the Palace on Wheels train journey, and it really sticks by its words. Well, coming to the prices for a trip on Palace on Wheels. For a deluxe cabin car, the guest has to pay 5,23,600 for single occupancy. For double occupancy, the customer has to pay 6,80,680 rupees. If you wish to get a super deluxe cabin, then you will have to spend 9,42,480 rupees. The prices are same for the single occupancy or double occupancy in super deluxe cabin. Taxes and other charges are applicable as extra. The second name in the list is of Maharaja Express, a world's leading luxury train award winner for a long time, has wonderful journey experience to offer you. Maharaja Express has 5 kinds of journey packages for its guests to choose from. Each of these packages show India in a unique way with royalty experience. Maharaja Express is an initiative of Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation (IRCTC) to enhance the Indian tourism facilities. Maharaja Express has different kinds of journey packages that show India and its beautiful terrains with rich heritage culture. This train has deluxe cabins and suites crafted with royalty touch to provide you a comfortable and royalty treatment on board. The train has restaurants on board from where you can have your favorite meals prepared and served on your table. There is a lounge bar also attached in the train. The third top most luxury train in our list is also very popular among the Indians and the tourists coming to visit Royal India. Yes, we are talking none other than Deccan Odyssey train and its journey experience. Colored in royal blue depicting its very Indian look and texture, the train offers the royal journey packages to the guests. Deccan Odyssey train is a joint initiative of Indian Railways, Government of India and the State Government of Maharashtra. This train also offers several journey packages which include the luxurious treatment on board and Indian tourism sites located in the Indian states of Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The train has a total of 6 journey packages currently, namely Maharashtra Splendor, Indian Odyssey, Jewels of the Deccan, Maharashtra Wild Trail, Hidden Treasures of Gujarat and Indian Sojourn. The train journey packages tariff varies for each trip. However, the prices for rooming depends upon the kind of cabin and the occupancy you are opting for. If you're curious to know about the prices for Deccan Odyssey train journey, Then here is the list. For deluxe cabin single occupancy, you need to spend 5,12,400 rupees, and the same cabin for double occupancy is available at the cost of 7,35,000 Indian rupees. For availing a presidential suite in Deccan Odyssey, you need to spend a sum of 11,90,850 Indian rupees. Presidential suite prices are same for single occupancy, double occupancy and triple occupancy. Royal Rajasthan on Wheel is the next luxury train in our list we are going to talk about. Like Palace on Wheels, this train journey also promotes the Rajasthan tourism. This train is also launched by Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation to promote Rajasthan tourism. In spite of its focus on Rajasthan tourism, the trip also include various other sites such as Agra, Delhi, Varanasi and Khajuraho Temple. Internet, on-board restaurant and lounge bar is made available on the train for its guests. The royal cabins, decorated with hues of pearls, ruby and other various precious stones, gives you just princely feeling on board. Rajasthan on Wheels offers a 7 days and 8 night journeys covering major tourism spots of Rajasthan. The prices for Rajasthan on Wheels deluxe cabin double occupancy is 5,46,000 INR, and for single occupancy it costs around 3,63,000. For availing super deluxe cabins for single occupancy, you need to pay 7,56,000, and for double occupancy the prices are same. Apart from these leading luxurious trains of India, there are some other luxurious trains as well are also induced by Indian Railways and states tourism corporations of Indian states. However, some of them are either in the reconstruction phase or stopped currently. Golden Chariot is the train which is considered as the only luxury train of South India is currently stopped due to the losses. Download Rail Mitra app to order food in train, check PNR status, live train running status, book hotel near railway stations, to get the latest railway news and informations. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Do like and share the video. Subscribe to Rail Mitra channel for more such interesting train videos.